Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera not working issue on Samsung Galaxy S24. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, swipe down and open quick settings panel and click on this icon. Now here click on restart and then again click on restart to confirm, and after clicking on restart option here your phone will restart, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then the second solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps scroll down and here open the camera app. Now go to the storage of camera app and then clear the app data and cache memory of camera app. So to clear the cache memory, just simply tap on clear cache, and to clear the app data click on clear data and then click on delete to confirm. And after clicking on delete, it will delete all your data in your camera app. And after doing this, your problem will be definitely fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then the third solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management scroll down and click on reset, and then scroll down and click on reset all settings. Now here again click on reset settings to confirm, and after clicking on reset settings, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So that's how you can fix the camera not working issue in Samsung Galaxy S24. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.